Welcome back to the channel, Auto Legends Dynamics. Today, we have something truly exciting, the 2025 Lada Niva. This legendary off-roader has been around for decades, known for its ruggedness, simplicity, and go-anywhere attitude. But how does the latest version hold up? Let's find out. At first glance, the 2025 Lada Niva retains its iconic boxy design, staying true to its heritage. However, Lada has made some modern refinements. The front fascia now features sleeker LED headlights, a revised grille, and improved aerodynamics while still keeping that classic rugged appeal. It sits high off the ground, with an impressive 240mm ground clearance, making it ready to tackle any terrain. Under the hood, Lada offers two engine options: a 1.8-litre naturally aspirated petrol engine producing around 120 horsepower and a 1.5-litre turbocharged variant with 140 horsepower. Both are paired with a 6-speed manual or an optional automatic transmission. And yes, the Niva still comes with full-time 4WD, locking differentials, and a low-range gearbox, making it an absolute beast off-road. Inside, Lada has finally brought the Niva into the modern era. The dashboard is completely redesigned with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The materials feel more premium, with soft touch plastics and durable fabric upholstery. Heated seats, climate control, and even a digital instrument cluster are now available, something older Niva models never had. It's still a simple cabin but far more comfortable and practical than before. Now, let's talk about performance. On the road, the 2025 Niva feels more refined, thanks to improved suspension tuning and better sound insulation. However, it's off-road where this machine truly shines. Whether it's deep mud, rocky trails, or snowy terrain, the Niva handles it all with ease. The new model also comes with hill descent control and an improved traction management system, ensuring better grip in extreme conditions. Fuel efficiency is decent, with the base model offering around 30 mpg, which is respectable for a 4x4. And when it comes to pricing, Lada has kept it affordable, starting at approximately $20,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly off-roaders on the market. So, is the 2025 Lada Niva worth it? Absolutely. If you're looking for a tough, reliable, and affordable off-roader with modern comforts, this is the perfect choice. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Legends Dynamics for more amazing car reviews. See you in the next one.